Okay, here we are.
BuiltRight, this is Matt. How can I help you?
Hi there. I'm a Dodge Ram owner down in Texas, and I ordered some of your panels, a 4-piece kit, and I only received 2 of those panels.
Okay, all right. Apologize for the issue there. Let me just pull up your order here and just verify what you ordered, and then we can look at and get this results here. Do you have your original order number by chance?
First off, let me say that you've been very respectful with me so far. I appreciate that. It is
Yeah, of course.
876420.
87642? Or, sorry, actually, our order number is
Oh,
only...
sorry, no, it's 869420.
869.
Dude, you're such a good sport. Oh my goodness, Holmes, it's Max.
Yeah.
It's Max, Marcus, and Luke. And you know, we wanted to say hi. We know you're getting some cold calls, and we know you're getting some spam calls. And
I'm just like, I'm like, this has got to be a joke once I hit the 69420. So,
so how are things going down there? How you doing?
it's going all right. So, how about you?
We're doing all right up here. We're doing well. But
At first, I was a little sus, as you would say, because I saw a Vermont number, and it said Texas. I'm like, man, these two states just really don't go together.
come on, Vermonters can
Why
move.
would Texas be up in Vermont, or vice versa?
All right, well, hey, I'm glad to hear your voice. Wanted to say hi. Wanted to check in, but mostly wanted to mix up your day a little bit. So,
Appreciate the humor.
of course, I'll talk to you soon, buddy.
Alrighty.
See you, dude.
man.
Bye. I guess I should have star 6-7 him, but that's all right.
Welcome back to Building BuiltRight. This week, another exciting week here at the shop. We have introduced a new team member. Along with that, we've had a little bit of a hodgepodge, things breaking down, things getting fixed. Let's check it out.
How's it going? How are our orders for the day?
Not too bad today. A lot of little stuff going out. Some dash mounts, a lot of relocation plates.
Gotta love that.
Looks like everybody's got a little project set for the weekend. There is one gentleman, I do not know his name currently, but he's going to have a whole weekend with his seat backs, some bedside racks, and a dash mount.
Cool. He knows who he is. Hopefully he'll see this. It's
Yep.
always fun when you guys actually watch our videos and like make a comment in your order.
Right.
We always appreciate that. So.
We do.
But-
We do. Makes it fun.
Oh yeah, cool beans.
It's nice seeing the end user for sure.
Oh yeah. But I will come back and check in with you guys at some point.
Sounds good. You guys.
Yeah, the you and your
And
special
my whole crew back here.
you
my
and your
vultures?
invisible friend.
Yeah.
And your vultures. Yeah, that's a good point. Thank you. So yeah, we're checking out the neighborhood poultry. Oh baby. Action Bronson quotes, or something that should sound like an Action Bronson.
Yep.
Cheesecake!
Eating a slice of rainbow cake in June. Like, that's literally something I could definitely, like, that specifically, I can hear him saying.
Action Bronson is iconic. Good music to assemble to.
Yeah, good music to assemble to, exactly.
What other artists do you mess with when you're working back here?
Usually like some older hip hop, like some Nas or some Tribe Called Quest. Definitely a Tribe Called Quest. And then when I'm feeling it, when I want to break from all the other, I go for some Erykah Badu.
Ooh, yeah, we were listening to some smooth,
Erykah Badu.
some smooth tunes this morning.
Smooth.
And then Luke, actually, we haven't actually introduced you to the channel yet. Welcome, buddy.
Thank you. Hello. Yeah, I was born and raised in Minnesota.
Nice.
Moved out to Connecticut when I was 12. I'm now living in New Milford, so I'm just short 15-minute commute away from the warehouse, and just been kicking ass in the warehouse, learning from Marcus and Dennis, and it's going great so far.
Dude, we're happy to have you. Thank you so much for being here and for helping out.
Yeah, happy to be here.
All right, we'll catch up with you later.
Probably should be compressed a little bit more, but
Still looks really
I think
good.
it looks good.
Cool. And this is for what again?
We're putting this together because we have plans for our 23 Raptor, and sometimes it's easier to like visualize in Photoshop like what we want the end result to be. So for instance, like we have an idea to go with these really bold chrome wheels, but it's hard to picture that like just looking at a website, so we're photoshopping on a lot of the accessories so that way we have a complete picture.
Awesome. Yeah, it looks really good. You'd had me fooled for knowing Photoshop for more than 10 years right here. This is pretty.
Yeah,
pretty neat.
no, I just learned Photoshop maybe 6 months ago, 8 months ago, so this is kind of new to me. It's been fun. It's always a challenge to kind of figure out like what tools to use and how to create the end result.
I love it.
Yeah.
No, it's cool. We'll throw in a little bit of B-roll, but it looks really good. I'm excited to see this truck sitting in our driveway. So cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Fresh.
New panels. Let's see what we got here. 102003s. Cool.
Board bedside going.
Yeah, you guys, we fly through these panels. So as you can see, Dennis, Marcus, Luke, the guys do an incredible job at stocking these shelves, making sure that we have enough saleable, pickable material for us to fulfill your orders within really the same day if you place your order before 2. Oh yeah, you still listening? They're going crazy up there.
It's like a cage match, dude.
I hear them. It sounds a little bit like rain on the roof, but then it sounds like raccoons fighting. So
This morning it sounded like goat.
So is this the battery down here?
Nope, it just looks like it.
Come on, you smart ass. Yeah, so this is our trusty pallet jack. We don't have a name for it. Oh, Matty's having a fit. Good. Alright, what's the verdict here? Need to adjust the brackets down there. Different terminals on the new battery.
We're gonna have spare parts after this.
Part-time lift mechanic, full-time engineer, part-time firefighter.
What
Mouthful.
don't I do?
It's a mouthful. Yeah, actually, it's funny because we were gonna chat today about you doing some engineering on the computer, some prototyping, but this is a day in the life of a engineering manager at a small business at the moment.
This is a day in the life. Yes, it is.
Right in the dick.
That would
worked out perfectly.
Oh my god, did it? I knew you were up to something.
Second day air going out to Mike. Camera on my face.
All right, I'll let you get back to it.
Oh, thanks.
So that's it. Thanks for watching another episode. A little bit of a crazy week here at BuiltRight. Obviously, that's how it goes. Thanks for sticking around and watching. We'll see you next week's episode.
That was a Nerf dart from the back. Oh man.